Hi there! Wanna see something cool? Watch this! Whoa! Did you see that? What just happened? What you just saw is an object called an oobleck. What's an oobleck, you might ask? It's a mixture of cornstarch and water. It can feel like a solid when you hold it in a ball, but it becomes liquidy when you let your hand go loose. To make an oobleck, you need these: water, cornstarch, mixing bowl, and food coloring. Put the cornstarch into the mixing bowl. Next, add a few drops of food coloring to the water and make sure to mix until fully dissolved. Pour the colored water to the bowl with the cornstarch and mix until you get just the right consistency. Finally, grab the oobleck with your hands and play with it. What happens when you squeeze the oobleck? What happens if you let it loose on your hand? Does the oobleck remind you of anything else? The oobleck mixture isn't your typical liquid or solid. The cornstarch and water mixture creates a fluid that acts more like quicksand than water. Applying force by tapping or squeezing it causes it to become thicker. Did you know? Oobleck got its name from a book by Dr. Seuss called Bartholomew and the Oobleck. In it, the oobleck is a mysterious substance that falls from the sky. That's it for today. Join us next time for more science experiments. See ya!